so now we're going to look at the cross abdominals, which we have to address because we know they're not equal. So lift your right arm to the side. Good. Now she's got the left curve, right? So I'm going to tell her to laterally shift to the right. Hold it there, hold it there, hold it there, and bring it down. Good. Now lift your left arm to the side. Now she's got a curve here, so she might as well shift this way because she's got a bottom curve as well. Reach, reach, reach. And I can't tell you how strong this is on your cross abdominals. And put your hand down. Right. Now let's lift your right leg up behind you. Now, when she bends the knee and she brings it to the side, she can't do a side bend. So she can't lift her knee by her nose here. It's going to have to be about there, that her booty's down and that her side ribs are long. And now lift your opposite arm. So your fingertips go to the left, your knee goes to the right. You hold it, and you bring them down.